boy. I'm gonna let Google attempt this one. Welcome back, everybody. So y'all saw my real quick unboxing and real quick packaging showcase of the inexpensive accessories that I got for the LG V60. And now let's get into my first impressions of the, Google, help me out,
Osophter
cases for the LG V60. Once again, Google, help me out. What's the name of these cases?
Osophter.
Osophter cases for the LG V60. I hope that's how you pronounce it. This is how you spell it, y'all. Yeah, I hope that's how you pronounce it because I didn't know. These companies need to come with a pronunciation guide. I just had to do the best I can, and the best I can is Google Translate. So it is what it is. Let's get into these first impressions with these cases. So I got two style of cases, similar to the same style of cases that I got for my Moto G Power. So y'all can see we got a carbon fiber-esque case for the Moto G Power, and then we also have a ruggedized case for the Moto G Power, and I did the same thing for the V60 here, okay? And these are both by the same company again. So let's try them on. Let me give y'all my first impressions, and then we'll wrap this video up. As always, all the links will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Also, if you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out so much, you don't know how much. Alright, so real quick housekeeping out of the way, let's dive in. So let's start off with the carbon fiber-esque case. This is one of my favorite set of cases. Case in point, I pretty much get this for all of my devices. So where's my Pixel at? Got a little bit of a mess over here from installing the screen protector. But you can see I have one for my Pixel 2 XL. I got one for the Moto G Power. I pretty much get this style of case for any device that I plan on keeping for a little bit of time. I get this style of case for it because this is one of my absolute favorites. So let's go ahead and throw it on now and see how it do. Alright. Also, I already installed the tempered glass screen protector. I did that off camera. So it's already pre-installed. Let me give this a wipe down real quick because that back is looking fingerprinty. And I can pretty much guarantee y'all, after I install these cases, I'm going to pick my favorite one to rock out with first. And this device will probably not leave that case for some time unless I'm cleaning off the cameras to do a camera sample. That'll probably be the only time that I take the case off. So there we go. One last time. It's all crisp and clean. Or as clean as I can get it. Boom, there it is. Again, this is one of my favorite colors. That dark blue, that dark navy blue or camo blue and gold highlight, one of my favorite colors here. Awesomeness. So let's slap the case on, see how it do. Alright. That went right on there. And y'all can see the screen protector is installed. And that looks pretty much perfect, man. It's damn near perfect. And we got edge-to-edge protection with the screen protector. We got a perfect fit with the case. And that looks really, really good. So you can see we got cutouts for the cameras, the sensors, with a nice raised lip on the back. Got cutouts for the headphone jack, the charging port, and the speaker, and the microphone on the bottom. Nice raised lip. A little, not too much raisivity on the lip, but just enough to where I can put it face down. All of our buttons are fully protected, so power button, volume rockers, and Google key. And let's check the clickiness. A little spongy.
Opening. Keep notes.
A little spongy. I didn't say nothing about opening keep notes, girl. Calm down. Calm down. She's always listening. A little spongy on the buttons, but it does work. Now, side note, after doing the screen protector installation, the fingerprint sensor is very hit or miss. And I did re-register my fingerprint, but it's still very hit or miss. But I'd much rather take the full protection over the convenience of the fingerprint sensor. So it is what it is. Worst case scenario, I'll just register my finger a whole bunch more times, or I'll just use another security method other than the fingerprint sensor. But I can tell y'all, prior to installing this tempered glass, the fingerprint sensor was working pretty much perfectly 9 out of 10 times. But after installing the tempered glass, it's very hit or miss now. Alright, but the first case is really, really good. And I like this overall look. It looks really good. And we got maximum protection now. Alright, good stuff indeed. Let's move on to the other case. Let me pop this off real quick. See how easy it comes off? Okay, so really easy to come off. No muss, no fuss. Now let's move on to the ruggedized case. See how easy this one drops on. Again, that popped right in there. Here's what this looks like. Again, all of our appropriate cutouts are here. So nice raised lip for the cameras and the sensors. Nice cutouts for our speakers, our charging port, and our headphone jack with the microphone. Full protection for our buttons. We do get an additional cutout for this microphone over here. Full protection for our buttons with a nice grippy texture going down the sides. Really, really nice stuff there. Full protection over here as well. Now let's check the clickiness. Oh yes. Now this is what I'm talking about. Super clicky. Almost as if I don't have a case on. I like this. Nice raised lip. Okay. Nice raised lip there. And y'all can see it is screen protector friendly. So this is really awesome. And a really sweet thing, a nice bonus, is we got that kickstand. So now, when I want to watch my videos, or maybe I'm doing a conference call and I don't want to hold the device, drop it on the kickstand and we in business. I like that a lot. Good stuff there. Alright, so really good stuff. Now, first impressions with these cases are really, really good. Now, as per usual, I'm going to use both of these cases for 2 weeks, and then I'm going to come back with my full reviews on both. And I do want to apologize because I know the full reviews for the Moto G Power cases are delayed. Yep, man, I got really, really sick, and then I fell behind schedule, so I do apologize. But I haven't filmed these reviews for these cases yet, but those are in the works. I'm going to try and get these out as fast as possible because my 2-week deadline for these is long past, so I do apologize about that. Same thing for the screen protector. I'm going to get into the full review of the screen protector as well. Sorry, y'all. I'm doing the best I can. It is what it is. But yes, the full reviews for these cases, as well as this tempered glass screen protector, which I did get in the 2-pack variety, I'm going to have these out for y'all in 2-week increments. So we're probably going to do this case first, followed by this case, and then we're going to wrap it up with the screen protector, and the same thing applies to the G Power, okay? So this has been my unboxing and first impressions of some really nice, inexpensive cases and screen protectors for the LG V60. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope it wasn't too long, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe out there. Peace. We are out of here.